Hello guys, today I will teach you an easy paper folding gift wrap with available material at your home so that you will stay at home and stay safe. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe our channel and watch it till last to see amazing gift wrap. Now here I have taken a compass and measured the radius of 6 cm. Now I am drawing a circle. Make an arc with the same measurement on the circle. Now take another pen or pencil and join the arc using lines. After this, again take a measurement of 3 cm and make an arc on the lines. From this arc, make a semicircle as you can see in this video. Now, we will cut the sheet. Fold the paper as you are seeing in this video. These are very important folds, so don't miss it. If you don't get it at once, then watch it again. Make a proper fold. Now, make a fold between the semicircles. Follow the steps and you will get a beautiful gift wrap. I'm telling you again, these are very important folds. Just don't miss it. Now our paper folding gift wrap is ready. Beautiful gift wrap. As you can see, I have decorated the gift wrap with polka dots at the corners, and inside I have written Happy Raksha Bandhan and some mandala art and flowers. You can also create your own design and paste your loved ones' pics whom you want to give. Hit the like button and share with your friends and family on Facebook and WhatsApp status. Thank you.